首先浮盘哈，浮盘我们是看和5925和5911这个地方哈。其实今天跌的有点狠。我们看一下60分钟，为什么说跌的有点狠呢？我当时给的好像是 level，相对来说是这个 level 5925之后，然后结果跌的是蛮深的，跌到5905去了。然后当时我们说，哎，这个地方应该是跌到头了，然后我们上靠，我自己是短期的靠出的有点早。too soon，但是赚钱了就行了，我觉得哈。但是远期的靠，我现在就基本上，嗯，后来我改变了策略，SPS 靠我现在都出来了，然后就一个短期的 NDX call。那 NDX 实际上 gap 没有完全 fill 掉，那至少应该是去到21050附近，因为这个地方就是一个 gap fill。但是15分钟应该还是要60分钟也是要往上上。那我们先到时候再看哈。然后就一个，但是我还是有很多Amazon。嗯，Amazon 昨天本来是赚的蛮多的，但是有点恋战了哈。结果现在是红的，小红就只有400块钱的小红，我觉得我可以忍。其实 daily 就是重新回踩的这个 breakout 这个地方，那就是应该要 consolidate 之后。出现超卖的时候，然后就开始应该往上，所以我自己还没有担心。然后 Google 其实真的是蛮便宜的，Google 也没有很差，但是它也就是回到这个 W 底，跌的比较深，那上去了，我觉得还是可以的。我是又买了正股，然后还有 call 现在红的是蛮多的，那因为我大概是。二十手2400块钱 red. It's not too bad. If it goes out $5, $2. Really go to 170, I'll be green already. So I'm not really nervous. We'll see what's happening. Tesla is so weak today. It's like it's not moving, but it's already topping. Look, so I still want Tesla to go to 370. 372. I would like to next week have Thanksgiving rally. That would be great. Go to all-time high. If market really going to all-time high next week, we are going to exit all technology. So I start to load XL V like HCA. I was gonna load HUM, but HUM isn't going up non-stop, and UNH too. So I just loaded HCA. Lockheed Martin is good. So weekly, daily is always 5 up. I mean, even the war stops, we still sell weapons to other countries. So Lockheed Martin, I'm not worried. Boeing went back to 2022 low. And I remember 2020 low, sorry. I remember 2020, I was trading it after the COVID, and it went back to really historical low. So I really think it's good place for long term. I don't think Boeing is gonna go away. Um, it could. Could it possible? Yeah, anything is possible. So anyway, let's go back to market and we didn't finish this. So now it's 15 minutes way forward down. Um, this the two areas I'm watching. Ideally, 59.40, basically that's the 30 minutes or 15 minutes POC. Value area high, 15 minutes value area high. But if the bullish momentum really strong, it could really just stop here, 59.50, and then go back up. But here, it was easy for the market to go up, the gap fill. Now come back down is also easy too. So here is a gap. Could easily go to 59.40. And losing that, there's really not much support. It's also a gap. So losing 40 would be 59, 8, 9, 10, but it could go all the way back down to where it was this morning. I don't really like the idea going back to this low, but I also like the idea going back to low because I don't have SPX call anymore. And I come back down to this level. I would love to load one more round SPX. So I look at SPY. SPX, I went through a few days. I think December 31st, some of the contracts like 60.55 have huge OI. Really, that's only thing stands out for me. I don't really see any other as big volume. That may be JP Morgan's. So anyway, so for SPY, I'm seeing December year-end have a lot of 605. 605 is my final target for SPY. So I did see December 31st, 605 have good volume. Like 630 even, that's too much. I don't believe it's going there. 615, look at this, 615, huge OI and huge volume. Actually, it's really not a bad idea to get 10 of them. That's like a $2,100. Okay, you lose the whole money. But if we are right, then our gain is going to be really big. And the next one will be 600 have big volume, 610, 605. So that's, I'm thinking SPY should at least go to 600. And my target is 605. So anyway, so tomorrow, if come back down to this level, we'll watch for reversal. Ideally, it doesn't come back lower. Losing this level will come back down all the way to the low. So that's not what I preferred, but it also what I preferred. It conflicts because I have Amazon, Google calls, right? Tons of them. So we'll see. Bitcoin pre-market has said it may retest 96 to 95,000, and it really landed in between and rallied 3,500 point. And MicroStrategy, oh my God, is 545 to 375 in a blink. I'm literally, I was watching this huge candle come back down, and now I have a tiny position. Tiny, I mean, really just 10 shares. I also did an SMTU. MSTU, I just took profit on the Cascade put, and that was really easy money. Literally, like when they put it on, it was like $50. It went to 300. So that was the easiest money. But so far, really here, it looks to me it's ready, but um, Bitcoin 60 minutes ready too. But when I look at the wave structure, it tells me we may have a deeper correction on BTU, BTC, not BTU. PTU. PTU is my work terminology. Um, so could come back down all the way to 90,000. 90,000 will be somewhere here. I mean, that would be actually ideal. But for now, from Shelf's point of view, I want MSCR continue higher because when it dropped to 373, I did a January call. And it's not cheap. It's like 11,000, something like that. Ridiculous expensive. But it's still cheaper than buying 100 shares. Buying 100 shares would be 370,000. Anyway, so that I'm out. I took profit on this two. From our entry to profit, that's like $10. $10 is not a big deal for expensive stocks, but for this one, that's 40%. It is a big deal. So I took profit on both, and you can go to the moon. I don't care. Gold. Gold from our first entry to now is more than $10, and the hot moving average hasn't turned green yet. So if you do gold full contract, you are up $15,000. So let's look at S&P. I'm not going to spend a lot of time to prepare for next tickers we are going to go, but just preview. I think XLV didn't quite finish dropping, but it's okay. Time to load a little bit. And XLI, utility is not low, but look, it defend like today's sector flow. Utility is one of the highest, and finance. See the finance gonna go again like bull flag. So if you do, I've been waiting for GS. So if we do imagine move, this literally can go higher. So I'm waiting for this ticker. I'm being too conservative sometimes. I was waiting for this to come back down here, but even $20, more than 20. I mean, what can you do, right? And our other tickers, DDOG, NAT, all went, right? So NAT, $80 here loaded again, and it's on its way to 117, 120, right? DDOG, I was bullish too, so I don't know where it goes. Probably gonna be 160, 180. So all those tickers are so high. I don't even know what to buy anymore, like PenW, WDay, ZS, all the stickers that already way about blew through my targets. And WDay have more room. If anything, I may load a bit more WDay. I don't know, it's so high. I would rather do healthcare. See, WDay still have more room. This is hourly. When is WDay earning? But you look at daily, 1, 2, probably 2 may go to 280 and then start to go down. CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike, I think may follow the same thing. like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I really think this is gonna be I think Zoom is gonna be really big. So this morning I said ESTC and bullets on earning, it went up huge. I regret not doing anything. It went up like 30%. Ah, 30%. So anyway, but we escaped into drop. Into really didn't drop that much. Did it? How much now? This is our entry, right? Right now, 644. So I really didn't. I mean, still above our, yeah. So when I saw this, I was chasing. I couldn't chase. I mean, after $40 bonds, I'm like, forget it. I'm not gonna do it. And I was also on my way to gym, but this still within the daily wave five. So target 720 unchanged, remain unchanged. Still here. It's still above our entry actually. It's not bad. If you want to do something, it's not bad. But however, I do think it's gonna retest low. So I'm going to buy at 559. But if you drop to 559, that's a little like really all the way back down here, which is really good actually. Yeah, I wouldn't mind loading some because it's been long term bottom. See that? Rarely drop below for all this time. So I will set a limit buying order at 600 and then 595 and see what happens. So I bought locked in margin and this is daily, weekly, both are wave five up, target pretty high. 630, like almost $100. That's what, 20%? I think it's worth it. I also bought AMT. I bought a little bit AMT, nothing huge. Daily fitness drop, weekly, let me see AMT. I mean, it's a good place to add. And if you drop more, I'll just load more. Weekly break out, right? So weekly you have low, high, higher, high. So naturally, I would believe this ticker go to 260. Would be a good place to load some. Is HCA. HCA is one of the tickers in the 50,000 sample portfolio. It's also weekly W bottom. I mean, could it drop more? Okay, the more it drops out, the more I'm loading it. So, you know what? Let's look at SPGI. SPGI is one of the tickers. It almost not far from our upside target. So when this acted, we need to find something. We already have PSA. We already have PSA. We need to find, we have HCC. PSA is ready to pop on the weekly level. See that? So if we go there and this two, I don't know, maybe we should load, we need to figure it out. SPGI acted what we want to add. Maybe should add a Boeing. Okay. I don't know. So Google. Oh, you know what? Maybe we should add Google. What's wrong with Google? There's really nothing wrong. Microsoft really just also just been holding here. So weekly almost Microsoft, nothing wrong too. So I don't know, either one. It's good to me. SQ. SQ, I regret taking profit at 87. So I want to have another chance to load at 70. I think that's too much to ask. I thought it will come back down that level. It went to 90. And another ticker is ready. U. Weekly level breakout. So I think U is a good level to add a little bit. That was the long-term low, blew through, now retested. So I think you may have a chance to go. DBN is more like a natural gas, not domino, Dominion. It's natural gas. Natural gas has been going up like a lot. But however, it's on daily. It's in the downtrending channel. What happened to all the drawings I drew is gone. See, every time when it's busy, I'm trying to set up a trade and then my platform crashes. And all the things I drew, sometimes it doesn't, I have to restart my computer a few times to come back. Really annoying. So natural gas has been going up, so it should be good for DVN. I haven't really looked at DVN. It's okay to hold the sticker, really. It's not gonna go broke and then they have good dividend and so low. It's still at our entry, right? So I really like the sticker. I'm not even looking at it. I mean, there's not much can go wrong. Honeywell is so high. I hourly is ready. Have a 10%. You can do it if you want to. I'm not gonna do it. GLD, my God, where were you? Excuse you? You offended me. I've been talking about gold like for 3 weeks, 5 weeks straight. Going to 260. OKTA, there's nothing to talk. OKTA is not making money. High PE. So I mean there's a reason ticker not going up. Could it catch up? It could, but why not? Why everybody in this category is popping and it's not popping? So we always do the leader, we don't do the lagger. Unless the company is really good. I told you guys NNE a long time ago, it's gonna go back to all-time high. So there's really nothing to do NNE. LEU went up a lot. You guys scared the shit out of me, VST, and I acted prematurely. And it went up 50%. I was so mad at myself, not you guys. I was perfectly fine one Friday, and you guys all freaked out after this drop. I'm like, huh? I was saying, you know what? I'm gonna be a good citizen here, show a good leadership, not risking holding through the earning. And when 50% up, I'm so mad. I'm very mad, really. Very mad as myself, not you. I was gonna hold it, and then I was like, I should have just secretly hold it, but that's not my personality though. I can't do it. I can't say one thing and do one thing. So LEU, I'm not gonna let this go. I don't care what you guys say this time. I'm gonna hold it. LEU. I think LEU is not quite ready, but MACD is about crossover and upside target 120. So I'm gonna hold this, hold it. And if you drop more, fuck it, I'm gonna load more. Excuse my French. So that's that. Um, ANET is still there is a big pop, but our target is here. Yes, still have 10 more percent to go. Um, so ABBV. Oh, I saw ABBV. I saw 20 million, 23 million bullish flow today. Mainly sell Cascade put. Sell 200. I don't know whether this is profit taking or something. So I don't know. I wouldn't touch OKTA to be honest. I would rather have the leader pull back and buy it out. Unless you have money and then said, okay, fine, you want to hold it. McDonald's, what happened here? McDonald's, oh my God, we should add it tomorrow. So I didn't even pay attention to the whole day today. I was watching market. I did anything else, it take a back burner. But market drop big, and I have a lot of juice. That's where I want to put my attention. Okay, so clearly you see McDonald's hourly have more to drop. Hey, what happened? I saw there's a here. Yeah, 277. Have a little bit more to go. And then we go long. 277 is good. Look. And then upside target will be 325. That's like 20 some percent. I love that. NVIDIA, there was nothing to do. NVIDIA already hit my target, 152. See how accurate that is. They're really, I think it's gonna go 1, 2, gonna drop. So I don't know. I'm not really interested in NVIDIA anymore at this point. So I do want to, I make a note. I want to, Alta, it's really good price to load at this price. It is really just ranging, so I think it's okay for it to load some. I don't have Alta anymore, but I have Lulu. Lulu, I think Lulu is gonna go up again, and so daily is ready. So I think it's gonna go to at least 340. I think when Lulu goes to 340, I might just act it all. It's after all, it's pretty expensive. I have only 100 shares left, but I think I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it go. But I do like McDonald's. I'm going to set alert. I already have alert here. Set alert. Alert. Set. Okay, so I might just have limit order there and then be done. Don't have to worry about it. And okay, so what else? Okay, okay, here you go. Then we'll XLE. I think XL. I don't know XLE. I think crude oil for sure will come back down. But XLE, does it gonna come back down? I'm not sure. Because XLE for all this time we look at it, we know it's gonna go up, and it did go up. Look, there's no it really go back to all time. It already hit my target, and I don't know. I think over time, if crude oil drops, this should drop too. because they two are ETF, right, related. So I think over time XLE and the crude oil will come back down. But crude oil, I'm a little confused. I look at it and then I'm like, is it F traded? Are we trading F? I thought we were trading F. Hold on, let me check CME group. See, every time that they do like a monthly rollover, it confuses me. It's hard to remember all the days. That's one thing trading future. Sometimes like a week before the rollover, I started my I'm nervous. I don't want to be nervous, but I cannot help. It's in my head. And so while I'm waiting for the CME, what's going on? Come on, dude. I don't know who knows. Okay, crude oil. I don't know if my internet or energy. Okay, crude oil. I don't know. Okay, app is no, yeah, it starts reading. I don't, yeah, it's reading MCLF, but why the price not moving at all? Been here the whole time. That's why I was confused. I wasn't sure whether I was right. Yeah, it is. I'm right. That's weird. The price has been like this, not moving for a while. Is it? In 2 days, it's been the same. I don't know. I'm confused. So RGDT, I don't know. This guy has gone up so much. Do you really want to touch it? I don't think I want to touch at this point. Here it's clearly breakout, but we are not a breakout trader. And there's no top, there's no sky's the limit. Nothing. So I don't even know where to go in and then where I put stop loss. But if it's like this morning, this would be the good place to go long. And clearly I wasn't watching the sticker. But if you guys watching the sticker, something good, you should count out in during trading hours so I can look at it and we can take it about this clearly long, right? That's perfect $20 move. Anyway, so that's it. And next week, hopefully for Thanksgiving rally, all the way back to the all-time high, and then we'll be conclude for the year. We'll be out most of the technologies and little more healthcare or just wait, holding cash. I think I'm not trying to scare you guys, but I don't think we're too far away from the main drop. And the reason why I'm saying that, because I want to scare you guys. Where is my thing? I just look at it. Right here. See this every time is yield curve uninverted and reaching about I don't know 1.45 something like that. What no 1.045 something like between 1 and 1.25 1.125 that's um that's about to recession. See, every time when the yield curve uninverted in between 1.25, recession, or even some years just barely uninverted. So that's why maybe the 10-year yield, it doesn't come back down. So anyway, I watch this every day. And just when I think about 10 years gonna come back down, look, it's golden cross again. It's gonna go higher. Clearly, the 10 years want to go back to 5.5 is the target. And I don't understand. I don't pretend to understand. No one is so far been searching the answers for dates. No one really be able to give me a real explanation. But we saw this even when the read it was increasing read time. We saw this coming, and then we saw the same thing as TLT, gonna go back to all-time low. At the time, I didn't believe myself. I was like, how could this be? But it is, and it's happening. All right, so when market go back to high, we unload, especially we unload all the calls because you don't want to hold large position calls and then get caught off guard. When market want to drop, they don't usually tell you, hey, I'm dropping. So, all right. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow morning. Bye.